In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a strip in Wix. Sometimes when you're designing your website on Wix, you might want to temporarily remove an element from your view while you're working. Maybe you're trying to focus on a particular section, or just need to declutter your workspace for better concentration. Whatever the reason, hiding a strip can be quite useful, and I'll guide you through this process step by step. First off, the initial thing you'll want to do is to enable developer mode. Now, this might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, it's actually quite simple. Head over to the top menu of your Wix editor, and there you'll see an option labeled Dev Mode. Click on it, and when you see the option to enable developer mode, go ahead and toggle that on. This will unlock some additional features, giving you more control over your site's design and functionality. Enabling developer mode is crucial because it allows us access to tools that are otherwise hidden, bringing a new level of flexibility to how you can manage your site. Once you've got developer mode up and running, the next step is to open the Layers panel. To do this, you'll need to click on Tools, also located in the top menu of the Wix editor. From there, select Layers. This panel is incredibly helpful because it provides a detailed view of all the elements currently on your page. Think of it as a map that shows you every piece of content you've got laid out, making it easier to locate and manage individual items. Now that you have the Layers panel open, you can proceed to hide the strip you wish to remove from view. Look through the list in the Layers panel and locate the specific strip. Take your time with this so that you don't accidentally select the wrong element, especially if your page has many strips or elements that look similar. Once you've found the strip, hover your cursor over it. You'll see an icon that looks like an eye with a line through it, which is the Hide in Editor icon. Click on it. This will make the strip disappear from the editor view, allowing you to work on other parts of your site without any obstruction. It's important to note that this action only hides the strip in the Wix editor. It doesn't affect the strip's visibility on your live site at all. So, visitors browsing your web page won't notice any difference unless you decide to make it permanent. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden a strip in the Wix editor. By following these instructions, you can declutter your workspace and keep your design process smooth and uninterrupted. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.